Stud Crew video. Today, we're doing a cake-off, Stud Crew cake-off. So we have 8 people, be 2 teams of 4. And so right now we're going to draw
cake-off.
First pick from Team Red is Versace. Sorry for the handwriting, it's pretty bad, but alright. Now, first pick for the blue team. It's going to be Eli. First pick for the blue team. Alright, now second pick for the red team is me. Alright, second pick for the blue team. Let's hope it's not Avalon, because I want Avalon on my team because he's the best team. Next pick for the blue team is Jacob. Third pick for the red team. So far me and Versace. And we're going to be adding on our team. Yeah, let's go Avalon! I'm so happy for that. Next pick for the blue team. Avalon, come over here. You go, let's say. Make the pick.
Can I pick one after two?
Yeah, guys. It's going to be
third member to the blue team is
Jay! Yeah!
Okay, let me pick.
Alright, we got 2 more. So this is the final member. So far, the only 2 people left are Denny and Keanu. So this is the final member for the red team. Pick wisely. This is for the red team. Wait. We're gonna open it at the same time.
Not a blue team.
No, so Keanu will be on the red team.
No, I'm gonna be on your team.
No, and Denny is on, on the red team, and Keanu's on the blue team. So, on the red team, we have me, Denny, Versace, who's not here, and Avalon. For the blue team, we have Jake, Keanu, Eli, and Jacob.
Alright.
So those are the teams. So, let's get right to the bake-off. Alright, so, basically how this is gonna work is got their team, Team Blue, us, Team Red, shut up, and we are each gonna bake our own cake and we have a certain amount of time. Then, Denny's mom and brother, Carrie and Corey, they are gonna taste test it. So basically, 10 points for style, 10 points for how good it actually is. Overall, 20 points for each team. Team with the highest score wins. So, red team, you ready? Yeah! Blue team, you ready? Alright, here we go. Take off. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, I got that right here. Where's the white cake?
Read directions. You have to read.
I'm just gonna.
Are you guys need bacon sauce?
Oh, goddamn.
Hey, can I use some
It's fine. Okay.
Oh, that's a lot.
Hey, pour me some.
Wait. I'm not on your team, but whatever.
We need to flour. That's a little more. That's good.
Ours is gonna be flowery as fuck.
Okay, it's gonna be pouring.
Fuck's sake,
This is a lot of flour.
why are we putting so much flour?
Because it's a big cake.
Bro, we're about to make a badass wedding cake. I know.
In this bowl, can you get?
What you do? My dad taught me this trick. You like this? I need like one of these, but dry.
What am I looking
So
for?
you go like this in the middle.
I have 2 cups of milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Beat until it's creamy.
Wait, where is He said beat plus cream. That means half of the cake is me. He accidentally fell in there.
Alright guys, for some reason we doubled the recipe and we need 16 eggs and we don't have 16 eggs. So
We have 11. No,
we
13.
need to find an egg substitute.
One more eggs.
I mean, yeah, there's more eggs.
Never mind. Beat it.
Beat it.
Beat it.
Just beat it.
I'll be like.
Hey, I'll do that. I'm good at doing that.
He doesn't have any wives, joke's on you.
Yeah, you beat them all.
Give me this. Watch this.
Okay, hey, who has harder?
Oh, I
Yeah.
fucked that one up.
How do I get 3/8 of a teaspoon? Hang on, what's harder?
Damn it.
Keep going, man.
I used to be so good at this.
No!
Danny,
beat him!
There's no shells in it. There's a shell in it.
I know.
Great.
Smell that, John, dude.
Oh, yeah, that's
What am I supposed to do?
Oh, take off.
Go put it in the. Oh, that's way too big. Go put it in the mixer. It'll mix it
I got it. I got a mixer right here.
Yeah,
boys.
Okay.
Oh, what's up, Denny? Behind the camera. Wow.
Sorry, you guys need a cameraman.
Hey, this is salt, right? When do we pour the egg? Salt?
Trick.
Okay, what else is there? Get on here. Okay, 3. Okay, so
You want full power. Make this as creamy as possible.
Let's get the bottom out.
oh, okay.
Okay, hey, who has Carter?
I have a dick.
What?
Why do you put this in?
I want the
Oh, right. Another wooden steak.
Hey, Denny, you think we can microwave it?
Not in that ball.
Why not?
It's metal.
Oh, wow.
Let's put the eggs in here, okay?
Hey, who has 3/8?
Huh?
Does anyone
Alright, we need to get these in the oven.
The oven. Oh.
Denny, I swear if you drop
You're
this.
not gonna cook them all.
In the flame!
We only got 3, and we can only fit 2.
So we'll have to put the other one in later. Okay, how long?
Can you grab the milk?
Huh?
How long?
Up in the milk. We're gonna do 10 minutes. No idea what the time is, but 10 minutes.
I've made frosting before.
Wait, what are you making here?
Okay.
Oh, you're making the frosting?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
So this is homemade, all homemade.
Sugar on it.
It's okay. Stop.
Wait, Denny. Pour it in.
Yeah. Let me drop as a time. Hey, get that yellow too.
Yellow. Why?
I don't know.
Sunset.
Yeah, it's pink. A lot more.
Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Because we gotta get it past pink.
No, so we're in the middle.
No. I meant like.
Oh, hi.
Update. We have our third cake in the oven.
That
All right.
surprises me.
Now we're on the decorating stage.
Hi.
My team left me, so.
So basically, because Corey and Perry are asleep, I'm gonna blindfold myself. I'm gonna choose which one's the better one.
Is that good? Mm-hmm. Yeah, just shove it down his throat.
Ready? Whoa.
Ready? Open.
Do not bite down or else you're gonna bite the fork. Careful when you bite down, it's a fork. What does it taste like? Cake?
Your mom.
Just drink it. Just drink it. I'm fine. You're fine. We're all fine. Second cake.
It's going in. Oh. Ew. So gross.
Nasty.
Okay, I feel like
Say 1 or 2.
one.
Biased.
How would he know?
Biased.
How would he know?
Biased.
Yeah, our cake was better. I swear.
Our cake looks better. I'll give it to you. It does taste
Oh yeah. I think that was great. Both of them are good in my opinion.
We did a good job today.
So that is it for this game.
This episode was a piece of cake.
So we'll be back with the next video. So we'll see you guys later. Wow.